Hey guys, it's been long. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Vicky Joguna, and I'm really sorry I've not been posting because I was unwell for some long time, like 3 weeks ago. Yeah, that's why I've not been posting. And I'm back and healthy and back to give you more content. So today we're gonna talk about shooting your shots. Yeah, it's an absurd topic, but I felt like I really have to do a video about this because I asked on Instagram, will you love to shoot a shot as a lady? And also I asked the guys whether they appreciate when a lady shoots their shots. Yeah. And reasons as to why, So I was like, the answers were quite interesting, and I was like, why not do a video about this and give my honest opinion, my honest reviews, and my advice on shooting your shots. Because that was actually, it's quite interesting, especially in this era, because you know the deal, this can I do. Yeah, but as we talk about shooting a shot, I'm going to do a creative look. Okay, so from Dennis Karurians. Let's get to the video. I'm going to attach the images somewhere here. I'm going to attach them so that you can see what I'm trying. I'm honestly trying to combine that look, and I'm crossing my fingers because this is a trust the process kind of look. It's hard, but I have to do it. As we talk about shooting your shots. Excuse my face. I know. But I just wanted to lay it out first because this was kind of long because of drawing the lines and everything. So now I've just been left with filling out the colors. So shooting your shots. I asked people whether they'd like a girl to shoot the shot, and they were like, it shows confidence, it shows the person is really into you or something. And I was like, honestly, personally, I totally advocate for shooting your, especially for ladies, shoot your shot, because if you want the nigga, then what else do you want? Because if you just like you over there, just like you, the nigga will go. So as I was saying, some girls were like, I can shoot my shots. Some girls were like, I know I cannot shoot my shot, and reason being sijui ati ndo nilengwe ati some nigga can rejection, basically rejection. But what I'd tell you is you have to lay out your factors of shooting your shots, because it's not like you're going to shoot your shots kiki umaembe I don't know how to put it. You have to have it's not a standard per se. You have to have a certain goal you're heading to, And point number 1, if you're shooting your shot, please do your background information. Because you don't even know this nigga. Or you don't know this chick. Let me put the purple first. I don't talk a lot today. But, as I was saying, do your background information. Like, where does this guy come from? Or where does this chick come from? Her likes, her do's, her don'ts, her interests, and everything. Because you cannot tell me you meet up with a person, siku mbili hazijapita, and you're like, me like you, so be my guy. Right? Me personally, I cannot do something like that. The mirror is over here, that's what I'm looking for. And the reason as to why I've used white concealer, it's to bring out the... You see, I'm not even putting any effort. So as I was saying, do your background info. Like, if you're the chick approaching the guy, please get to know the person, get to know what the person likes, and see ati unaenda kuuliza ati what's your favorite color, what do you like, as in engage in a conversation. Show the guy you're interested, not just by knowing whatever the person likes, but what I mean is have an interesting conversation when you're getting to know this person. Or maybe mmejuana from, maybe a person has amewajoinisha in the sense of this guy has introduced you to this chick, or this chick has introduced you to this guy. You feel me? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So even though it has happened like that, if it's a mutual thing, please, I beg you, do your info. Do your research when you're trying to shoot your shot, because you don't want to rush into things, and then later in between the relationship you're like, and I did not know, just because you didn't do your background information. I swear. And that's the worst thing you can do to yourself, because when you rush, you won't feel it, you won't feel the enjoyment in your relationship, and that's what you want. You want to be happy in a relationship. You get me? Sorry, that's what I'm saying. That's about it. And also, I wrote the points on my book somewhere here, so I'm just checking, looking. I'm multitasking today. And second point about shooting, be confident. If that's what you want, then go for it. Be a go-getter. Because you're a go-getter, you go get.
I'm a go-getter. Whatever I want, I go get it. Like
whatever Diamond said. Yeah. But then before you be confident, I insist, I beg, please know your background. Please know this person before you be confident. Tuende kujiambia una shoot shot na mtu hata hana interest or anything. Because first of all, you're supposed to like see if this person is really into it, if is really into the relationship, or that's the talking stage. First of all, if the person is really into the talking stage, if the person is showing some interest in what you're talking about, you get. Because we don't want regret, we want to be happy, we want to move on, we all have things we have to do in our lives. Because hapa waste time, imagine that's your loss, but it's only your loss and it's nothing other than your loss. Yeah. There's some people who like, like this guy is hot, I must shoot, I don't care, tutamjulia mbele, I swear. Trust you me, you're making a big mistake. Because you're the one who is going to feel as if you're putting more effort into the relationship than the person you're shooting your shot with is actually doing it. Because this person wants to take the time to know you and everything. I had this scenario. A friend was telling me, Ati, Nenda ka shoot shots, but this guy was like, I know, I need some time, you don't even know me. Yeah, so just chillax, let us be friends for now. And that was like, the guy was right, honestly, because if this chick if you don't know this person, mbona warakisha? You get me? Take your time to know this person. It doesn't matter. This leads to my other point. Be patient. Mapenzi itakaingi kuharakisha, because personally, patience really played a huge impact to where I am right now. You have that feeling of, I want this guy. I want this guy so bad, but I haven't known him. I'm just trying to be patient, because maybe atanionyesha his true colors later. Which that later is that later I want to wait. I want to wait so that I can see like if I'm really compatible with this person. So, okay, basically this is a plain-ish kind of look. As in the colors when nafanya hivi zinapaswa ku blend in. I'm going to put other colors over here. I'm just trying to create a basic a foundation for what I'm going to do, because it's a lot of work kinda. So yeah, as I was saying, it really takes so much time and so much. It's really, you have to have that patience with that person, because I believe this person wants you to know everything about them, because they see potential in you, And if a person sees potential in you, there's no need for rushing, because everything has its own timing. We don't have to be all over the place. Yeah. Okay, so I wanna do purple, then I put some blue. Is it blue? Yeah, I'm going to put some blue. Let me look for the perfect blue. Blue is hard to blend. Yeah, being creative is hard. Being a creative is hard. Just me. But we're gonna make it. Inshallah. As I was saying, if you really want this relationship to go somewhere, be patient with that person. This person maybe is not into hataki relationship at that time, but this person is looking for a friendship which will result to something greater, right? And you're there, kerere unajarakisha ati because I want this guy, I don't want to be late, nitachelewa, maybe ataenda na mtu mwingine, and I don't sis, cool down. I beg, cool down. Because one thing, if you're not patient in the beginning, you won't be patient even during the relationship, because you'd expect this person to act instant, lakini wao kungoja hadi kumjua, hadi kujua kenye hapendi, kenye anapendi. I don't know whether you understand me. Like, be patient with that person if you really want that person. And on to my other point, don't be extra. Sorry for the lady. Don't be extra with this person. You know, like, because most in this generation, we're all about social media and everything. This person posts every story, you must react. Give this person space. That's the best word I can use, honestly. Because you don't want to look desperate at the same time. Yeah, you know you want this guy or you want this chick. You don't want to look desperate. Like, Mimi, personally, if a guy is not now because I am in a stable relationship,
I'm not bragging. I'm not bragging.
If a person was shooting a shot to me at that time, nione ati ana react and reply to every story, every status I put. If he has my number, you must reply, you must love. That's too much to me, because it will bring a wrong attention. It will bring out a wrong type of attention. You don't want this person to have. You don't want to look desperate, because me as a girl, I don't want to look desperate for this person. And that's one thing. This is my first time doing this thing, and I'm really happy with the outcome already. So yeah, we want to look likable. We want to be appreciated. We want this person to actually feel us, be it physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally. We want this person to know us that much. That's why we don't want to look desperate. So don't be extra. Or if you all are meeting up, you're complimenting. Okay, it's okay to compliment. I don't mind compliment. But then you're complimenting all the time. Si amesikia kenye unataka kusema. Like, I don't want to sound rude or anything. I know there are people who love compliment, but it's not a must, you know. I hope you all understand the meaning of it's not a must for you to do all that. Yeah, so after this, I'm gonna do green. Yeah, green was the next color. I hope I'll find a nice green, because blending out colors is kind of hard. Let me look. Yeah, I found the perfect shade. Yeah, and don't be extra. Next point, please. This is the most important point. You can please even write it down. Please know how to hold a conversation. Conversations go a long way. If you want to know this person, please don't be a boring person text, because you know normally nowadays we all text, either Gram, either WhatsApp, either Snapchat, whatever. Please, if you're having a conversation, make it interesting. See ati mtu anakuuliza hi, how are you? I'm good. Like, you know, be interested in what he was doing or what this person was doing during the day. What this person, the hardships during the day, the tops, the bottoms, you know, not even about the day, like how this person is feeling. If this person is sad, you want to talk to this. Yeah, you want to talk to him or her, give her hope for the future, because the future has much to hold and we all anticipate for a nice future, right? I understand we're all busy, but it doesn't take so much time to text. And that one is one thing I live by. If someone has texted you, you know, and you've seen the texting to make text, usijifanye mtamu. because wasichana, this is one thing wrong with us. Tunapenda kujifanya watamu. And I don't understand why it's always like that. But, as a girl, let me advise you. Usijifanye mtamu sana. This guy will be like, so if you get into a relationship, this chick will all be about her, about how she feels. It always has to be about her, not about me. You get me? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But I know guys, there are guys who love that communication thing so much that it makes them happy to communicate with that person. As in, that's how they want to know this person. Okay, I'm so happy. As in, they're smart already. That's how they want to know this person. And as much as we really try so hard to bring out the interest, also if you're the one trying to be communicated to, please cooperate, because sometimes, as in, it's a two-way thing. If you're supposed to show interest, all of you together. Yeah. So if you're the one being communicated to, please show interest in what you're being told. It goes along. You get? Here we are, and allow me to finish like the bottom part, because the video will be quite long if I continue talking while doing the makeup. So I'll be right back. Well, I'm almost done. So, on to my last point. Notice the small things that this guy talks about or this chick talks about, so that when you're ready to shoot your shot, at least you'll have known like the interest or whatever he loves or whatever she loves, because they go a long way. The small talk, the small conversations, or the small compliments. Like, yeah, you look nice, but don't overdo it. As I said, don't be extra. Yeah. So as I was saying, those small talks really matter. Yeah, notice the small things. As in, okay, my personal experience. The small things that you notice about a person really makes them feel so nice. They feel so appreciated, to the extent of, you're continuing to grow your bond with that person. Hey, let me not lie. Me, I shot my shot, and I won't lie. And the small things, when you just say like, oh my gosh, I love how you did this. I love how you like this. It doesn't matter whatever it is, so long as it's a positive. Always be positive vibes and everything. But make sure your communication is always on track, because you don't want to lose your chance with this guy, of course. And I'm not a relationship expert. But I believe what I've experienced throughout my time that I've been in a relationship or relationships has taught me so much about like appreciating the person, because it will, honestly, those small compliments go a long way. And all this sums up to being confident with yourself and being patient. You have to be patient with what you do. And you have to be confident in what you do. Put on the lashes, and then I'll be done with the final look. I think I need to do some touch-ups. This look looks nice, honestly. I'm done. Here's the final look. Quite shouty. It's actually very shouty, but I love it. Even the lighting is not doing justice. I swear this thing looks nice. But anyway, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I think I'm gonna post a cut crease tutorial next. Yeah, it has been highly requested, so yeah, stay tuned for more content. And I love y'all. Bye.